Hi fellow Ghanaians and people of the world, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making Ghanaian groundnut soup, but I'm going to be making it a little bit different from the usual way. So stay tuned for what I'm going to be doing. If you are new here, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, you're welcome back. So for the ingredients, I have onions, pepper, tomatoes, chicken, yamadie, and then goat meat, and then my groundnuts. So I'll start by cutting my onions, my ginger, and my garlic. I'll be adding my natural spices, which I'm going to blend to steam the protein. I'll go ahead and add my natural spices, which is the bay leaves, the coriander, rosemary, and some other spices. Then I'll proceed to blending. It's now time to start business. So I'll go in with my blended ingredients, and then after that I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste to it, just because I'm not going to be frying the groundnuts and tomato paste. Usually we mix the tomato paste with the groundnuts and then we fry for some time, but today I'm not doing that. Then I'll go ahead and add my onga cube to it. So I'll go ahead and stir them until everything is well mixed. Then I'll cover and let it cook for some time. Now we cook our tomatoes, our onions, and then our pepper. We are going to add it to the soup later, but we are going to boil it and put it down so that it can cool down before we blend. Let's go and check on our proteins now. It's looking good. So we will just stir. You stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. So here I'm just stirring, still stirring. I had also before wedding. Hey. Yeah, so right now I'm planning to okay, yes. I'm now adding my groundnuts straight from the mixing yanchi yanwa. Me mixing na me hwegu. That is what I'm doing differently from what we usually do as Ghanaians. Me mixing na nothing na me gum, just like that. So as we've now added our groundnuts to it, we just keep stirring. You stir, just stir. Yeah. So after stirring for like forever, I don't know who told me to cover this thing. What happened there? Who also say the tomato mix is now ready. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it, and then I'll add it to the soup because the soup has been boiling for about 15 minutes now. So I think it's the right time to go in with this mixture. I'll go ahead and add it to the soup, and then we stir again. At this point, I think stirring is the most important thing in this whole thing. Why am I not stirring yet? Oh yeah, I think I was going to wash the blender. Then rinse it and pour the water back into the soup. So we mix and mix. It's okay. Maybe I should say something else. Anyways, there's nothing again. Don't cover it all. Don't cover it because I did. And I didn't so yeah. The soup is ready now. You can serve it with whatever food you want, but I'll be making omotuo tomorrow. This is how it is looking. If you've watched to this point, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.